Hi guys, I hope you all are doing good, and in today's video I am going to be showing you this very easy makeup tutorial which is not going to take beyond 3 minutes. And today I will be using a BB cream. This one is going to be from Dermaco and it is 2% niacinamide hydrating BB cream which also has sun protection. I love how hydrating it is for my skin, especially in winter season. If we are applying a foundation, it tends to dry out the skin and make the makeup look cakey, but not this one at all. It has hyaluronic acid which helps in hydrating the skin. It has niacinamide which helps in pairing away the dark spots that you have on the face. It also is going to work on acne marks if you have any. This is a universal tint, guys, going to be ideal for all Indian skin tone. Also, every time you buy from Dermaco, they will link your order to a child that they help educate along with me. So yes, it is blending like a magic on the skin, and it also has beautiful skincare properties. If you use my code RITU2023, you're gonna get extra 20% off. Make sure that you check this one out. After that, I'm gonna be lining my lips. I always contour my lips in order to make them look a bit fuller and bigger. And after lining it up, I'm gonna be moving on to lip color, and these days I love to use a nude lip color which helps in complementing my shade. So yeah, I'm gonna be applying it all. Not gonna take beyond 3 minutes, guys. After that, we'll be moving on to a bit of blush. Blush is necessary for me because it helps in making the whole face really bright. And usually I go for coral shade because people who falls in skin tone category just as mine, coral is gonna be perfect for you all. After that, a bit of highlighter so that the glow comes from within. I absolutely love highlighter, guys, and this is gonna be in a bit of golden shade. After that, I'm gonna be curling my lashes. Now you should take a bit of time in curling the lashes, like I take 30 seconds, and after that I apply 2 to 3 coats of mascara. This is gonna be a very simple makeup routine which you can easily do at home. Gonna be beginners friendly and will give you flawless face, I am sure about that. Make sure that you check out Dermaco's BB cream. The link is gonna be in the description box below. You are not gonna be disappointed at all. Here we are almost done. I will see you guys super soon with another video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. I love you all so much.